Hello, future wealth masterminds. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate wealth secrets that can transform your financial life. No more waiting, let's unlock the vault of prosperity together. Let's kick things off with the financial cornerstone, the power of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum and growing as it goes. Over time, small investments can turn into substantial wealth. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a slow, steady, and surefire way to build your wealth. The key? Start early and stay consistent. We'll show you how to harness this magic to your advantage, making your money work for you. Now, onto the secrets of diversification and risk management. Investing all your money in one place can be risky. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate can help you minimize risks while maximizing returns. We'll guide you through the art of balancing your investment portfolio, so you're well prepared to weather market storms and enjoy the sunny days of profit. Real estate is often a fundamental part of building lasting wealth. In this section, we'll unveil insider secrets to navigate the property market successfully. Whether you're interested in buying your first home, investing in rental properties, or even trying your hand at real estate development, we've got you covered. You'll learn to identify opportunities, negotiate effectively, and make informed decisions in the real estate arena. Multiple income streams. Now, let's talk about creating multiple income streams. Relying solely on one source of income can be precarious in today's world. We'll share strategies to help you diversify your income, providing you with financial security. Whether it's through side hustles, investments, or passive income, you'll discover how to reduce dependency on a single paycheck. Finally, let's unravel the secrets of sustained wealth growth. Many people aim for quick gains, but true wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. We'll share strategies that focus on the long game, ensuring your wealth flourishes over time. Patience, discipline, and a clear financial plan are the keys to success. Ready to transform your financial future? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build wealth together. Wealth is within your reach, it's just a matter of unlocking these secrets and taking action. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on your journey to financial freedom.